Unlock the power of your existing contacts and supercharge your Batchleads campaigns by seamlessly importing your Excel lists. First things first, let's get your Excel file ready for a smooth import. Open your spreadsheet and ensure your data is organized into clear columns with distinct headers. Think of these headers as labels for your contact information, like first name, last name, phone, email, and address. The cleaner and more organized your headers are, the easier the import process will be. Now, let's head over to Batchleads. Once you're logged in, find the Import Contacts button. Usually located in your dashboard or contact management section, this is your gateway to bringing your Excel data into Batchleads. Click on that import option, and you'll be prompted to upload your file. Select your prepared Excel spreadsheet from your computer. Batchleads will then begin to process your file. Don't worry if your columns aren't perfectly named the same as Batchleads expects. We'll tend to that next. This is where the magic happens. Data mapping. Batchleads will display a preview of your imported data, and you'll see a section to map your Excel column headers to Batchleads specific fields. For example, if your Excel header is phone number, you'll select the corresponding phone field in Batchleads from the drop-down menu. Do this for every important piece of information like names, emails, and any other fields you want to utilize. Once you've successfully mapped all your essential data fields, confirm the import. Batchleads will then process and add your contacts. You'll typically see a success message, and your contacts will now be organized and ready within your Batchleads account. Poised for targeted outreach and efficient campaign management, your existing information is now a powerful tool within your hands.